Hi everyone, right, what I've got here is a kit. Yes, it's a bit of a mixed scrapbooking kit. Now, we've got some small boxes that we bought that were wrong size, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them with scrapbooking things. So this is the paper and fabric line, and you will get some laces and some appliques in as well. So these are the smaller. We do have the big kit, which I think with one left. They're £25 or £28. That they are absolutely stashed full of stuff. But this is a smaller one, and so I'm going to do this one at. It's a small scrapbooking kit, and they'll be on the shop shortly. But you've got fabrics in this, and lots of paper things. And it's just, I'm going to call it the scrapbook top-up kit, because basically that's what it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the box. Here's our little boxes. See? Cute. And you've got the box to craft with as well. And this isn't going to fit. You don't want to fit. I don't think. No, we're going to have to use another size box. Now, how's that? Good, really. So, let's have a look at this one. Yeah, this is more like it. We'll fit everything in this. So, you're going to get a bigger box. And this is 2 inches deep. So, first of all, like I say, I'm just going to run through some things. I'll pop them in there, but then we'll have to add the other bits and pieces as well. So that'll be a nice surprise when you open your box. Now, we've got some of these to start with. Nice papers for you to play around with. And a good selection. Okay, so you've got those. So I'm just going to pop them in the box. Put a couple of those in for you that are different. Couple of the postcard ones. Hope you can see those. Some of the bits and pieces might be slightly different, but not much. That's a bird cage you can cut out. You just press it all out. And then if you, there's 2 in 1 here. Because once you've taken that out, if you laid these pieces on your paper or card, with the frame, you could do it again and cut it, spray it. So you have 1 of those. Then you have 3 of these. Well, I'm not saying how many, because some might have 4, some might have 5. But they're all nice. You know, stick them to card and then cut them out, and you can use them anywhere. We've got a little dog, a little cat that you can decoupage. We've got some, they're not stickers, but they're shiny. Little things there. Another one there with the butterflies. Then you've got some different flowers and that can be used up somewhere. A buckle. I think this is called the, is it called paper confetti or something? All different ones you can use, just, you know, if you're adding a little brad or something, like a tab to a card, then you can use those and make them look like a brad. Little dress. 1 of those. They're all different, like I say. I'm forgetting everything today. My mind's just tiz-wazzing around all over my head. My head's tiz-wazzing around. Doily. I'm just getting in touch with my lady friend who brings my doilies, or Ray goes and gets them for me. 2 papers like that, so they will have to probably be bent slightly, like that. What we'll do is we'll do it that way, so that the picture will glue down if you want to glue it onto something. Yeah, like that. Okay. Some trimmings. Trimmings might be different, but equally as nice to play around with. We've got some of the tissue paper, nice big piece of that, which is the vintage tissue paper, advertisements. Like that. Some fabrics. So we've got that one. They're just cut out pieces of fabric. They'll all be different. Okay. And that one. Quite thick fabric, some of it. And then you're gonna, some of you'll get this, some might get a different one. That's I love this. I haven't seen it for ages. I used to have tons of it in the shop. You get used to selling something and then nobody sells it anymore. So we've got that. I'm going to put some bits and pieces in it. Let's have a look, see what else we can put in it. Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look what we can be generous with. Oh, look. Oh, that's a thick card as well, that one. Is it a card or an envelope? No, it is. It's a picture. Oh, concertina one that you can decorate, so you can put that in there. Let's have a look. Oh, we can have some of these cards, different ones. Now, let's have a look, see what else we have. Oh, we've got some of these. I'm not sure. I think they're stickers. Yeah, they're like stickers, I think. No point in me doing it with my nails because I can't. Yeah, look, see, sticky. So you've got that one, that one, that one. We can do that one. See what else? Oh, we've got some of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Let's have a look. Yep. And 6 of those. Oops. Bit of vellum there. Oh, they're all vellum then. I've given you 2 the same there. I did, I don't want to do that. I'll do that one, that'll do. See what else we have. A couple of those pictures. And a couple of the labels. Like that. And I'm going to put some other bits and pieces in as well. So these are the smaller kits. These are the top-up kits. Now let's have a look, see what we can pop in. Let's have a look. Oh, look. We can definitely have one of those put in, can't we? There you go. Definitely have one of those put in. Oops. And let's have a look, see what else we have. Oh, we can have one of those. There's lots of goodies, lots of different things. Oh, we can have one of those as well, just wants trimming down. Right, see what else we can figure. Oh, a bit more of this fabric as well. They're only small pieces, but use them up. You may as well. We've got bits and pieces of all sorts. And you're going to put some pearly string in that, I think. What do we need to get in here? Oh, let's have a look. Well, we can put that in, can't we? Yeah. So, I'm going to top it up with some trims. Let me just... Hang on, I might look at my dish. It's chocker. And I don't want this. I've got to get rid of it. So, let's just see what we've got here. Oh, look, we can put one of them in. Oh, that's for the kit. No, that's for the kit. Got one of those that's handmade. That can go in. Little pearl can go in. Let me just see. They're for different things. I have to be careful because I do have kits to do. Look. But you might use it somewhere. Nice glass bead. Another bead, I don't know what that one is. What's this one? No idea. So, let's have a look, see what else we've got. Lots of goodies. A winged one. Another bracelet. Some nice beads on it. One of those. What we'll do is, you see, everything you... Oh, look, that's beautiful. Look at that. In it goes. Oh, a heart. Metal heart. Big bead. See, I don't want these things. There's no point in me keeping them. Some beads. And this will all be packed nice, don't worry about it. And a large leaf. Oh, feather. Feather. Yeah. And we'll give you 3 of those. I don't know what you're going to do with it. We'll give you a large one, metal ring, and 2 small ones. Right, so there's still some laces to go in there, some trims. But that's the kind of kit. It will be a very mixed, random kit. Let me just see what else we've got. Oh, we can put one of those in. Look. And let's have a look at this paper. I've done that. We've done that one. Oh, look, we can give some more fabrics. There's plenty of fabrics to go around. Plenty. Like I say, I will put in your lace trims. But look, nice fabrics to play around with. There's another one. There we go. So you can do one more. Oh, we'll do this bluey colour. There, look. Same as the brown, but in blue. So that's that. And you'll find them on sale shortly. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.